Fisher, Product Manager for Materials and Applications here at Stratasys. And what I'd like to talk to you today about is the technology that's enabled the printing of these particular parts that you see in the table here. What you see in the table are parts that have been printed using our PolyJet three-dimensional printing technology. These parts, what make them unique is the fact that they have been printed simultaneously mixing two different materials at the same time. We're jetting out, in this case, a Vero white and a black material, or a translucent and a white material, all at the same time. What that allows engineers, designers, medical professionals to do is to create parts that have visual interest and or create parts simultaneously that help define one material region from another, like you see in this jawbone here that separates the actual bone structure from the teeth structure itself, making it very easy for the dental or orthodontic professionals to see that. Same thing you might see inside of some of the parts here, so the skeletal structure in the actual patient, using the clear material to define the body, and of course an opaque white material that's been simultaneously jetted at the same time inside of the print to define the bone structure. Now it can be used not only for medical applications, but also for various different applications, such as something like a puzzle, as an example, or to apply textures, maybe a marble-like surface on a particular part. Text can be actually embedded inside of the part, and this is simultaneously jetted. So again, the technology that we're using is PolyJet technology. So we are three-dimensionally printing parts layer by simultaneously jetting droplets of liquid resin out and semi-instantaneously curing those droplets of liquid resin with ultraviolet light. Another part we'd like to show you that's also been printed using the Connex printers or in PolyJet technology is actually the Wall Street Bull. And like many of the other parts that you see on the table here, this bull has been printed in this case in two different materials simultaneously. The Vero white, which you can see that defines some of the white portions of the bull, and then Vero black that defines the kind of distinct text on the outside of the bull itself. What we've also done is we've actually mixed Vero white and Vero black together to give some grayscale in the areas of the contour of the bull to give it a little bit more visual depth to the model. So it really enhances PolyJet Technologies, the surface finish, which is quite good already from PolyJet Technology, and makes it even one step better, coupling the great surface finish from PolyJet systems with now the ability to create grayscale with the Connex systems themselves. And this allows us to produce a bull, again, that has much more visual appeal and depth, and of course has the logos very relevant today, both Stratasys as well as the NASDAQ logos. That's a pretty cool part.